Ni kedai Bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Hop Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Hadok hat artli ki ying ki badan hapok kesnong Kalapahar kabahap hapok Karani Korsi and RD Block jong ke Southwest Khasi Hills District kilasha punjulor ki hati klau hakamit sngi sajjan jong ke Shipotrik Urisau Arajar Arpo bat hakasngi ublai jong ke Khatwaitrik Urisau Arajar Arpo hakani ke jingjia dang donbok pat bakine ki hati klau kimshim lepen mensau ia ki beriu ki basong basa hakani ke snong Dalor ke berpenjulor yikini ki yeng shong jong ki breu kini ki hati klau kila penjuloru ya ki jingrep kamtam ya usok turun kasnong Kalapahar kadai kabadon markhap bat kasnong rajai kabadon hakhaput bat keri Bangladesh bat laongru bakine ki hati ki balawan rung syakini ki snong kidai ki bawan wat bam hakabajadai bat kani ka jingjia nagaliang jong ki bor penyat katanat wildlife ru tang suyo jingtip halor kani kilahir marmar syakani kasnong na kabenta banjurip ia ke jingjulor marmar na kaliang jong MLA Karanikor constituency uba Pius Marwenru ulahir lek jurip ia kani kasnong ban ai jing yerap ia kilanot kibalangat hakani ka apon
Baru kaya kadang-kadang ini. Hing bro, senang menetaki. Dan apa ini? Apa lagi? Kan kamu dibawa jero. Tuh, kabang Facebook lu kabang kayak gitu. Oh, ki badon hing baru kila. Ilut, ki kumbadan ki nek ki khao ki tiar barokai tiar khet tiar ayu barokai kaje kajingje kamne hakasnong kane ka Kalapahar de hakajingje 10 tarik khandai bejam limit de kiwar ki hati ba wan no bai nak te nalum chane long ka wan tur be hapo snong yang warung be hapo snong de la panjot ki yang hendur teli hendru ying de hadin nang to demonstrate de kumpi para sinong ki marjan sinong kumne mangil one page hadin one page mangil one page mangil la ayu I ka to bagajing jot bapen claim ka to ka yengru de hadin de mangila ai la pentik sa excusable nang taro ha blok ru la pentik de makiru kilawan jengok sene di one page nang ta makiru la ai khao ga nyarap nang ta ka MLA jungiru la on ai khao to handru ying te hadin nang to hakhat wai tarik menit ru kawan penjon piang
kan baji
ha
hakan baji
kato de tharai kumta he kaju kumta he chpo baje kumto
kan ying hakan
penjot piang to hadu handru ying maknaro da penjot handru ying maknaro kamda penklem suya penjotang tu baca kasatja angta jaka kato ka silang ying to su penjot
itu ki bisa penjot ying hai kita mentah kisah hai
kisah hang ne ha ying kumti hor kaman kumti hor kito ilong ba kam nusu bansa ha sinong jing kanero ka dai dang dai sinong tang balong kam nusu bansa ha ying
are already here and we will do as per the procedure because there has been damage to property also. So this will be a joint inspection from the forest department and the revenue, and we will try to speed up the procedure of the compensation. It's as per the wildlife depredation. No? We will put up the papers. We will speed up. We will be hand in hand with the revenue department in doing this.
What about the safety of the people you see now?
Because the wild animals, no, they are quite unpredictable, and like while we were coming from the Shillong, we could see that there are a lot of disturbances also. So, and I heard from here after coming there, like this has been a new record here, like depredation case. So it seems like they are spreading out. Because maybe the corridors have been blocked. I have to identify the correct reason. So mostly it's about the security of the people. Again, we'll discuss with the people itself here because they are the people from here. They know the movement and all. Then we will again together with the revenue, the police, and we will see how we can try to safeguard the people. We will be trying to safeguard people by using some firecrackers or some deterrent so that the elephants doesn't come near the habitation. That's the immediate thing. Yeah.
Cái chính trị cái đây hả cái miết dùng cái này cái nhiều play thì ki hati khlau thì ki suwan baik ben penjot ya kini ki yeng ki sem kumba pila I dalam jong khmat ba hang ni kila penpra ya ki yeng ki sem kila ratlut ya ki bro ki tiar kitar te sudon bok ba na kaliang ki nong song hang ni kim don ki ba mensau la ne kono ka jingja ka ba fungsi te ki don hadu hang ni ki don arfau lai ne arfau teli ki long yeng te khat arteli kumba pila I dalam jong khmat ki bala do la long no don isu la pralut kidon par kano kato kanitli kilong yeng ki pasu jot malu malah te nakaliang gajong ngahi rengkat bat naliang ki department abangi la esngau no to sngi la pentep buat sya kiliang ki bor badai pej hamtam ya ka wildlife ba te nakaliang gajong kiru namar kalong ka ba jengai ben poi buat hagane ka snom te kilawan te ngangej ba nakaliang gajong kiru kinle ya ka benokam te habar ya dapat berkini yang kisam te yang ni don video don civil SDO benda kalian kajong kiru kin saya ka report sa government namar kane kalong fila ila ka jingjot ba ya menta kamut la jot lut don issue te ngangej ba napo ka disaster management napo ki revenue kin pelai keloi thai ban yarap ya kini ka nong ya kin kilong yeng benda kalian kajong ngaru harian hang tu hing ba ngala yos ngau nomar ki beri kila fedlot ki la sa si jaka tim don shu jakasa don chan don nep don marbam don mardi shu naliang do office video wala penpoi ya ki marbam la lah nakaliang kajong iru la yarap bud hi nakaliang ka sarkar bet nakaliang kajong ngaru ngala yarap hi hangtu gisngi masenja bet hakne ka sngiru nga la I ba kayeng ka sem don shu te nakaliang kajong ngaru ngala I ya sisa ya ka jing don kam kumpini pol kalong kam ka kerki te nakaliang jonga ngala ra hi ki jino kam kum kitir par kau ki jingirap ka ba sipor bangengit ba ngala khambun ta benyo biang ki yeng kisem ki ba jingirap nakaliang ka department kin sale ya kam nokam